Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today it is going to be a little bit different video. You will say Meghna every time just keeps on repeating the same dialogue. No, it is actually going to be a different video because till now I have not done any such kind of videos, and the things which I am going to show you now, y'all won't believe I have not worn this particular things till now. I think one or two pieces I have just worn, other I have not yet touched to my body. Now the things which I am going to talk with you about is jewelry. Now it is going to be like my jewelry collection, artificial jewelry, of course, my artificial jewelry collection. I guess because I have a huge collection, I'll be dividing this video in two parts. It will be random, part 1 and part 2. I'm not having any kind of plan or anything, but everything is right now on my desk and I can see a lot of jewelry which I think I cannot complete in one video, and if it is going to be a one video, then it is going to be almost on 1 hour, and I don't want you all to wait for 1 hour, right? So I'll be dividing this video in two parts. Now if you are new over here, that is, if you like what you see, you like such content, hauls, reviews and like collection and all, then definitely you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel and become a part of our family. Also, if you want to become friends with me on Instagram, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can follow me on Instagram, we can be friends over there also. Now let's begin with the video. Before that, I'll just mention my lipstick, the lipstick which I have applied. It is from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade 362 Plum Bomb. It looks like this. Okay, and the shade is 362 Plum Bomb. Right, this is the shade. So this is one thing which I wanted to just specify. Now we'll just start randomly. The first thing which I wanted to show you, I have not yet worn. It is, and I won't be doing any try on because you all can see I already wear one jewelry in all my video and only one earring. I generally do not like to change the jewelry, but I like to collect it. That is what I am. And this is one neck piece, you all can see. This is one neck piece, right? It is already in the pack. I have not yet removed it from the pack. I have not yet tried and tested or something, and whatever links are available, basically this all is collection. It's like offline collection basically, and few of them are online. If I'll get the link, definitely I'll be giving you the link, or else I'm extremely sorry because this is a collection, so every time it is not possible for me to give you the link, but I'll try my level best. This is one neck piece, and it is not with the earring, it is only the neck piece. And if you can hear a little bit noise of plastic or something, then please excuse me, because all my jewelries are kept in individual plastic wrapping and everything, and I like to store like that only because I don't want them to get spoiled or something. There are only only two, you can say, these are kind of pile. Yeah, these are pile only, you all can see. I have not yet worn this also, not a single time. This is pile which you can, and this is like in the gold, like the stones, green and red stones, right? So this is kind of that, like if you are wearing sari or maybe some traditional outfit, it will go with that properly, and if you are wearing some one piece or something, then this kind of necklace will be proper. Just, I know y'all are smart, but then I'm just telling you. This is the last pair of, because one particular time I was a huge fan of pile and everything, but now I do not wear, and this is the another pair, y'all can see. And if you want, you can wear single also, like you can wear it only in one leg, because earlier there used to be a trend only one pile in one leg, either on left or on right, but I got two, so like if one is like broken or if I lose somewhere, then I can definitely wear another. So these are the two piles or something, you can say. I'll just keep it aside so that it won't occupy the space over here, right? Yeah. Okay, now I'll show you one neck piece. Basically 2 years earlier I was having a subscription box named Glitzy Box, and I was subscribed to that lady, that is that particular box, and she was having a very good collection of jewelry and all. though I do not wear such kind of jewelry, but in the subscription box we used to get the jewelry. So this is one neck piece. If you are wearing some one piece, and this used to be a trend, like if you can find this kind of necklaces on Amazon and Flipkart easily. You can see this is kind of a necklace. It's only a necklace with two kind of black big stones on the front, and it is adjustable from the back. So this is actually a subscription box item, I can say. In that particular subscription box only, she was having basically every month she was having 1 or 2 jewelry items, or maybe you can say gifts or something, definitely. So I was subscribed to her for a long time, maybe, I'm not sure. This is one earring, right? It is in silver, and see, you can see it is already like the polishing and everything is gone, because I do not wear. And one more earring is there whose polishing is already gone, but definitely you can do something with it and you can manage it. But I don't wear such kind of jewelry, but I have in my collection and I like to collect it. So this is one jewelry, one earring, but I don't wear, so that's okay. I'll just keep this also aside so that it won't occupy again. These are the two small studs, or whatever you call it. Is in golden and black. One is in like coffee color kind of gold, rose gold kind, and this is one black. I like this kind of jewelry a lot, simple and sweet. Okay, so this is also from that jewelry subscription box. I guess this is also from one of the jewelry subscription box only. Yes, but again, as I say, I do not wear such kind of huge jewelry. This is also one of the, and this was actually in trend few months or maybe few years, 1 or 2 years earlier. This particular item was so much in trend. Like this used to become in all different sorts of metal. Also they used to have some stones or something on this, some decoration. Like this was like everything 1 or 2 years earlier. So this is the next piece. I'll keep it inside later. Then this is also, I think, from, because if at all I'll go and purchase, I won't buy this kind of jewelry for sure, because I am not a huge fan of earrings and all. I like to collect, but I don't wear. But I like this. This is very simple, sober, pretty. This is like a simple earring. It has total 3 rings. In middle they have stones, rhinestones and all. And like this is the next piece, right? So this is the next piece. Then I have a bracelet. This is also from that subscription box only. I'll hold it this way. Right, you can actually, this is kind of elasticated. You can just wear it this way. It's like one side they have rose gold or maybe some different kind of beads, and here they have pearls, right? You can wear this way, but as usual I don't wear, so I've just kept it. Then I have this bracelet which I like a lot. This is one bracelet. It is in the rose gold finishing. This is also artificial. This is not the real one, and it says no pain, no gain. Right? This says no pain, no gain. Okay, and it is adjustable. You all can see. It is like you can open it from here and you can directly wear. But I keep it this way only. I like this way. Then I'll show you this earring. I will not remove because then it is very difficult for me to put it inside. This is the next earring. Even this was everything, like few months or maybe 1 or 2 years back. This was everything, right? It has some kind of chain pattern down, and over here they have a square pattern and like a cage kind of pattern, something. I'm not sure what you call and how you call. This is one bracelet. I like the pattern of the bracelet a lot. I'll show you. It is kind of a lock. You all can see it is kind of a lock with the chain pattern over here, and it is the adjustable bracelet. You can see it is adjustable, so you can adjust as per your size. And this is from a website which is now banned in India, so I think I will not take the name and all, but this is from that website and I have purchased this. I like this kind of dainty pieces, so this is purchased by my own self. Not a single piece is sponsored, by the way, and the jewelry, like the box which I am talking about, even that I had subscribed. She was not sending me as a gift or something, I had subscribed to her. This is one simple bracelet. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It is kind of a single diamond line with adjustable at the bottom, like adjustable from here. You can see it is like you just have to press like this and just have to pull. Can you see? This way you can adjust. I'll try to put it on my hand, but I'm not sure whether I can close it or not, but then I can try and like I'll just put it in my hand. You can see, and this is in the rose gold finishing. Can see. Now I'll keep it this way only, I won't remove. This is one bracelet. I am actually fond of bracelets because that is what I like to change, but that too sometimes I cannot change. I'll just show you two bracelets which I got just if I'm going out for my son's friend's birthday party or somewhere. If I want to go out, then this is totally like not my style. But then if we are late something, we are like we went somewhere and we are getting late or something, that time I cannot wear the original jewelry. So that is why for that it is like this way, and you can adjust it, like you can keep like put it in any of this particular loops anywhere. It is as per your size. Okay, they have black beads and in middle they have rhinestone, yeah, star shaped rhinestone, and over here they have black beads, and you can adjust it from here and you can just put it like this and it will be like this. I think you are getting my point, right? This is the next bracelet. This one is another bracelet. I like this one. This is also a dainty piece, balls with stars, and again adjustable. You can adjust it over here, like over here, and it will be like dangling. This will be the dangle part, and over here you can see they have all this kind of loops. In this you can put in any whichever is your size, like this. This will be on your wrist and this will be a dangler, like this dangler. So this is going to be a dangler. So this is the next bracelet. I think bracelets almost are done. So what I'll do, I'll just show you one set, a small set. This is one small dainty set. I like this kind of jewelry. Even you can see this earring is pretty, like I think matching to my current earring, and this is one set which I have never worn this, not a single time, though I have green color outfits and all, but I have never worn this kind of jewelry. So I think I'll be wrapping up for this part. I'll be continuing my rest of the jewelry pieces in the second part. Definitely stick around my channel if you are somebody who likes to see this kind of collection or something. If you are not subscribed, as I told you, please do consider subscribing, and if you have any other video request or suggestions, you can definitely leave in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll try to help you as soon as possible, and I'll try to come up with the video as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, please give it a huge like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And if at all you have, like if you don't like the video, you think I am bragging or I'm showing off something, then I'm extremely sorry. I'm not trying to do anything. Basically I have lot of new launches right now in front of me, sitting and lying, but I'm not actually feeling good. I'm not like in my mood to make some review, because I don't want to give any kind of false information or any kind of wrong information rather in my channel. That is why I'm not doing anything, and I'm not researching also. I have already ordered and the parcel is already arrived, but I have not done the review, and I'll be definitely coming up. And y'all must be aware, I have done a community poll, like what you call affordable eyeshadow palettes. I've already ordered eyeshadow palettes, I've already got the delivery, but as I told you, I'm not in a mood to film the video of that. That is why I'm doing this, because I want to give you something from my side which should be very interesting, and this is something very different. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.